Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I know I look gorgeous. I took out my bundles and I don't know, what do you guys like? But that's not about what this video is about. It is about me showing you guys how to do my signature smoky eye. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut a crease, how to find the right browns, how to blend out black liner. So check it out right now because honey, I'm about to show you guys how to do the signature Kimora eye. So one of my favorite palettes today that I'm gonna dip in that I actually just was able to pick up. I'm not sure if it's new. I don't think it's fucking new at all, to be honest. I think this has been out for a while and they call this the 24G Grand Glam, and I love it because all the eyeshadows are fucking huge. Actually, I thought it was blush and I was like, who the fuck is gonna wear that as blush? Gross. But that's gonna be some of the colors. So my face is just already like contoured, set, sprayed, eyebrows are on. I mean, do you guys like my skin? I kinda like it. I did something new today. Wait, before we do that, print screen. So let's get into this now. So obviously, one of my favorite things to know what perfect crease color you guys can get is the crease color should kind of match your nose. I always say whatever you have on your nose, kind of take it and just kind of wrap it into the crease. It's just seamless, it matches, it's perfect. In photos, it looks phenomenal when everything is just like one color. So this is the color that I've been using for my nose, and I'm just gonna kind of take this brush, normal brush. This is like a tapered blender. Let me get my little fucking Supreme mirror. I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna... Okay, so next color, I'm just basically now we're gonna build all the shadows and it's gonna just literally start building and building and getting darker. And you're actually gonna see that I don't really put a lot of black on top of my lid, just cause I really like that under like blown out black to kind of like pull out, and you're gonna see why. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring in more like red undertone browns because I just love like that red feel. I mean, I like to always try to stay with red undertones, like just copper colors, brick colors, just colors in those ranges. Okay, work honey, Miss Jeffree Star. And now I'm just gonna start filling it. Ooh, I love this Jeffree Star brush. Oh my god, so when I used to work at MAC, this is literally what people at MAC would say. This is the MAC stamped eye. Literally brown crease, black smoked out and pulled out. I love it. I think it's just so sexual, it's so feminine. I love it. And remember you guys, when you guys are doing eyeshadow, I like to tap my brush. Just like this, it just kind of takes up all the like shit that you don't need on your fucking brush, and it just kind of takes it off. So I take that copper color and I just kind of wrap it on the bottom. I'm just gonna really make sure you blend it. Now blending, you guys, is crucial. Please blend your makeup. You know when you see an eyeshadow and you're like, how many colors did she use? That's a good compliment. But you know when you can count like the shadows, it's like, oh girl, like it literally looked like you did your eyeshadow with like a fucking Q-tip. No mama, no. I just remembered I didn't put any powder on my face, so I'm like trying really hard not to have fallout, but I think I'm gonna put it when I do the vlog because I'm a little like fucking scared. Wow. So I'm working my colors in, so I have about 4 different browns on my eye. Actually, let's put some powder because I'm a little nervous. So now, one of my favorite part is the black. But before I put on the black shadow, I like to line the bottom of my eyes with black first and pull it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Kat Von D. This is the Anti-Precision Pencil. It's like a thick cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the bottom and pull out the black in. I love my little slutty eye. So I call this the slutty eye because you know when you're like a fucking slut and like you do like your walk of shame home and your eyes all like that's just what it looks like for me. So can you see here? I line the bottom, but I actually take some and kind of like put it in, like wrap it in like that. Just because I like to really make sure my eye is like jet black all around. And now we are gonna bring in some black shadow. I love tight little brushes like this. Like this one is just like super skinny, fluffy at the end. Shout out to Luxie. This is the 231 by Luxie. Now, Morphe, I love you, but you guys need to fucking make a black eyeshadow by itself because I can't be carrying all these fucking palettes just because of your black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Morphe Pride Edition. Love their black. If you guys see in my previous videos, me looking for a black shadow was like the fucking adventure of the world. I finally found a black that works, and it's at the Morphe store. By the way, I'm not being sponsored, so I'm just saying right now, whatever I say in this video, I actually really love this shit. Ooh, wow. Okay, so you guys see how I bring up the black? Okay, let's go ahead and pack in some like a lighter color because I love a white light lid. A lot of people find their favorite vanilla shadows. I actually love to use Studio Fix powder. This color is NC10 and I actually pack it on. I just feel like shadows don't really like go as light as you want it to go, but like powders go on light amazing. So I love to do this on the eye. I just take it and I just kind of dab it. Like I said, I was in Morphe the other day and they have a fucking liquid pen liner that I'm obsessed with. I used to use Stila. This is Stila pen. This is called the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner by Stila. And they actually have one in Morphe, which is like the perfect, like same pen. So we have Stila and we have Morphe right here. Both tips are fucking phenomenal. I love these. I hate brushes. Anything that kind of bends. So these ones, like literally you can draw like fucking calligraphy letters like all over your face. So bye Stila, hello Morphe. Now I'm gonna line my eyes. I love a thick liner. Oh my god, look how fucking beautiful that is. So same thing here. I love a thick liner on top. So liner is on. I love it. And actually you guys, the Morphe does like dry really fast. It doesn't hurt just to kind of like give it a little bit of wind. There's nothing I hate more than a smudgy liner. And actually I have this thing where I don't like liner that are shiny. This one's not so shiny, but I actually like to take a just a little flat brush and pack on black so it's super matte. You just take it and you're just gonna pack it on the liner. So eyeshadow is on. Let's go ahead and brush off the powder and then let's go ahead and blow out the bottom a little bit. I'm gonna blow out the bottom with like a really red undertone brown. Go ahead and choose one of your favorite brushes that are like tapered for the bottom. Morphe has a brush called M514. Perfect brush. Now this goes under the eye amazing. It fits perfect. So again, just get a little bit of brown and let's just kind of blow out the bottom. You guys are gonna be doing this makeup in your sleep, I promise. This makeup is so easy, it's quick, and then honestly, like, it just does the job. You know, sometimes when you like doing eyeshadow, you put on like green, and at night, it just looks like fucking black. Well, when you're a night girl, a smoky eye is a smoky eye. Alright you guys, so now eye is done. If there's any questions in the comments, please write. I would do my best to answer majority of them. But right now, let's go and put some lashes and I will show you guys the final look. Alright you guys, I have my wig. Everything is on. My lashes are on. I'm feeling cunt. Do you guys like my final look? Ah! Okay, come on, Miss Kylie Jenner. I hope you guys learned how to do my signature smoky cut crease brown lid. I really cannot wait to see all you guys duplicate this. Now listen, I know this is a staple eyeshadow, but you know what? Every drag queen needs to know how to do a sickening crease. I hope you guys learned everything you guys need to do, and I can't wait to see the looks. But hold on you guys, before I clock out, My next video is going to be all about contouring. I know I haven't done a video on contouring because girl, I just have like cheekbones for days, but I actually do struggle on finding the perfect contour color, and I want to help you guys find your perfect browns, perfect contour shades, and I cannot wait to show you guys that because I actually really love the contour. And believe it or not, just because you have good bone structure doesn't mean you don't contour, so you have to contour. Check that out, subscribe to the channel. The video will be up next.